Seller financing is an extraordinarily powerful way to structure your deals, and especially in today's market where financing can be a little bit more difficult. And when I say seller financing, same thing as if I were to say owner financing or agreement for deed, land contract. A lot of these are just different terms for creating the same thing. And so here's some basics. What is seller financing? Let's say a seller owes $100,000 and you, the investor, decide to offer them $110,000. Then $110,000 is your offer and $100,000 is what they owe. So there's a $10,000 difference. That $10,000 is called equity. That's their equity in the property. And seller financing would be paying them all or a part of that equity over time. So ultimately what you're doing, if you negotiate seller financing with someone, then you're turning that person into your bank. Rather than going out and getting a loan from whatever lending institution or person or whatever, instead of going out and getting a loan from someone else, you're just staying in-house and the actual seller becomes your bank. So I hope that gives you a good idea for exactly kind of how it works there and what it is. As far as the paperwork, just like with any loan, you have a note which houses all of the specific details of the actual repayment and such. If there's interest on the note, it's going to be in there, the payment schedule, that sort of thing. And then you've got the security instrument, which is filed against the property. Whether it's a mortgage or a deed of trust, just depends on what state you're in. And you can have your attorney or title company work up these documents for you when you negotiate seller financing with someone.